Hello, this video is meant to be a quick demonstration of how you can use a translation script within Google Sheets for word lists, for second language learners, a variety of different things. But I want to show you how it works. This first page, we have multiple tabs across the bottom of this document, but this first page is the top 10 languages in HSD from popularity to the most rare, but top 10, and I know we have more languages than this. We can add those as needed. But the way this works is you add content vocabulary. You can see these translations have been done already, but those are just examples. But if I'm doing a water cycle unit, I might have water as one of my words, cycle, evaporate, condensate. We'll stop there. So the way this works is each of these has a formula that's already been added. So you can see up top, if you're interested in that, I can give you some more information. But Google Translate, and then I have in this formula that will work for this column for Spanish. So if I grab this blue box in the bottom right-hand corner and drag it down, it should translate all of those words in Spanish. If I want it in Vietnamese, the script's already done up top. I drag it down. Now I have it in Vietnamese, or what I think is Vietnamese. Dragging it down again. This is Arabic, Russian. So whatever word I put in the content vocabulary, if I need that in another language, I just go to that column and drag it down. Even does symbols. Dragging that down for Chinese. The other pages in this, I'm going to click on this just to show you how maybe a student could use this. I see this as maybe a teacher needing it for their class to provide some supports to the students. But you could take any of these tabs across the bottom and just pull out the tab, just copy the tab, and be able to give this to a student that could keep a running word list. So maybe I'm a second language learner. Spanish is my native language. The way this works is I put in, same as the first page, I put in whatever I need over here. So if I put cat, I come over and I drag the formula down, I get gato. Over here, the cool thing is if English is not my first language and Spanish is my first language, I can put in the Spanish word and then it will translate it to English. So if I put in hola here and I drag down my formula, it should translate it to hello. So what's nice about this, again, versus Translate or some other tool, is that it keeps this running list. I mean, as many words as you want to put in here, it'll keep that. And so hopefully this is a tool that can help. You can see we have a variety of different languages across the bottom. We can create other languages as well. Happy translating.